Creating an AI chatbot is just the first step. To maximize its impact, you need to seamlessly integrate it into your website, allowing customers to engage with it anytime. With Potential.com's AI chatbot, you can easily deploy your chatbot across different platforms and enhance customer interactions. Let's go through the simple steps to integrate your AI chatbot with your website. After training and creating your chatbot, go to the integration section. You have multiple integration options: website pop-up widget, display the chatbot as a floating pop-up on your website. Embedded section, insert the chatbot inside any web page. WordPress plugin, easily integrate with WordPress sites through this plugin. Simply copy and paste the integration code where needed following the detailed instructions. Once integrated, your chatbot will be live and fully functional, assisting customers 24/7. Set up and integrate your AI chatbot today and provide seamless customer interactions on your website.